Today I'm going to try to make Craisins oatmeal chocolate chunk cookies. If you have this bag, then you don't need this tutorial. But in case you don't understand some of this and you need the video, here it is. So what you're gonna need is some baking powder. What's this? May I ask what this is?
你不知道吗
What's this? Is this
？Salt. Yeah.
Oh, okay, so you need baking powder, salt, chocolate chips, 2 eggs, of course the craisins. Yeah. This is powder. What type of powder?
Flour.
Flour. Okay, so how much flour this
oats.
is? Okay, some oats. So you'll need some oats. So how much is that? So let me, where's the paper? Where's the paper?
好了，我要开始做
I don't see. Oh wait. Wait, mommy.
我要开始了。
Okay, so anyway, so you're gonna start off with 3/4 cup of oats, and then you're gonna add some brown sugar to a separate bowl, and add the egg yolk. No, the softened butter. Softened butter, and you're gonna microwave some butter for 1 minute. This is gonna be the worst tutorial ever. Okay, just like get all that in there. 3/4 oats, 1 egg, not 2 actually, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of softened butter, and you're gonna need, what's this? What's this?
你自己看里面。
I don't know what this is. I don't know what this blender thing is.
这就是个 blender 嘛。
Okay, so meat blender, meat crusher. Okay, anyway, you're just gonna need this thing that my mom is not willing to say the name. And you're just gonna crush everything up. That doesn't look too good. Mommy, just tell me what this is. What is this thing called? Called meat blender or something like that? Is this?
我也不知道，它就叫这个东西。
Well, KitchenAid blender. Just blend it for how long?
你自己看。我要开始倒水。
Doesn't say any time. Okay, whatever. Okay, get spoon. Oh, I just sipped some stuff. I don't know what that was. So, yeah, you could just continue to do that. You did not need to do that. That part was not necessary. So, yeah. Hi, me. Oh, don't search now. Oh, this is the iPhone 5. I hate this because when I make live streams, it just like glitches out. Oh, also I have a $500 gift card back here. It's not on the card actually. Yeah, that's gonna be impossible. Oh God, I almost got it in. Got it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start blending.
有一些东西没有弄匀，要把它。
And then if there's some things that are like, I don't know what the word for this is. Like not soft enough, then you're just gonna like crush it with the spoon. Crush. Not with the knife, not with scissors, not with the water bottle, not with wine, not with hot water, not with this rice. I don't know. Not with rice in an all-purpose food film. Not with the cup. Not with taste. Not with spit. Oh yeah, I mean you could use these. But I think I think you prefer silverware. Silver spoon. Just gonna watch this go around for days, and we're gonna get dizzy. All of us. This is live. I bet there will already be someone who just liked the video. done. Okay, then you're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm just gonna preheat that. 375. Yeah, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This is preheating right now. And you're gonna stop London. And you're gonna get the egg, and then you're gonna crack it open and get that yolk in there. Start this. How dare you bump me? Now it's time for you to witness this. This is so weird. This is so. If you never made cookies before, then this is what it looks like. I never made cookies either. Anyways, we're gonna talk about some of the. In the meantime, you're going to put all the flour you have in here. So that's how much flour? Let me see. No, doesn't say the amount of flour. 11/2. I don't even know what that means. 11/2 cups. Flour. Whatever, I don't even know what that means. Please calm down. Okay, and then you're going to take, let me see, half a teaspoon of baking powder and dump it in that bowl. Yeah, this stuff. Hopefully this is understandable. And you're gonna get half a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and you're gonna get that in there. Oh wait, and by the way, we're going to see how much we need. How much is it?
在上面嘛，你为什么不看这里呢？
I can't find it. Maybe to shift it here. 2/3 cup. 2/3 of a cup of chocolate chips, and for the Craisins dried cranberries, 11/4 cups. Whatever. 11/4 cup of this Craisins bag. Push from the bag. I don't even know what that means. What is happening? May I ask? Okay, anyways, you're gonna mix it with a spoon or whatever you want. Okay, not anything you want. Do not mix it with this. Okay, and then you're gonna get a spoonful of that and then add it into there and then just start mixing. Basically just get all of it in there, right? Just get some good timing so it doesn't get caught up in the blender and then it's just gonna go flying everywhere. So be quick about this. You have to have good timing. If you drop it in and it hits the blender thingy, then it's gonna fly out everywhere. Hopefully that does not happen. It looks pretty gross right now. Okay, that's weird. Okay, yeah, just get all of that in there. Get good timing as well. Anyways, guys, we're gonna get this. Okay, it's done yet. This thing is done. Okay, got a little bit more in there. That's not a little bit at all. Okay. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna show you something. Jeremy Schaefer, his second latest video, because his latest video was a leaf flicker, the Fortnite Secret Battle Pass star. Yeah. I do have some acrylic red paint. I also have blue acrylic, which I use for the manslaughter. There's the. Yeah. I'm gonna show you the manslaughter right now. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find it, but yeah. I got a lot here. Oh, I think I found it. Yeah, I think I found it. It's right here. So here's the manslaughter. Yeah, so I painted this blue. I first colored with crayon because I didn't have acrylic, but then I bought acrylic, and then yeah, I was able to have this. It's pretty good. Whatever, guys. Get in there. Cover that. Because that's not necessary. So, is this part of the recipe? Is water part of the recipe?
No.
Okay.
No. 我只是让给自己上水。
Okay, nope, it's not part of the recipe. So right now we have everything like this. The time is 6:14. Why is my dad still not home? Oh yeah, it's because he has a meeting. Right, he comes home late on meeting days. He usually comes home like 7 p.m. The latest he's come back is like 9 p.m. Or even 10 p.m. I'm pretty sure it's 9 p.m. Or may have been 10. I don't remember. I just completely don't remember, okay? Okay, so it's looking a little better. Doesn't have all that white powder on the side. Oh, never mind. There's still a little bit. Okay, let's stick the last bit in there. Okay. Hey guys, so also look out for my gaming channel. There's gonna be a new video out tonight, and it's gonna be Bumper.io. One of the newest Bump.io games. Some of them pronounced .io, some of them pronounced .io. I don't know. I think it's all like, I think it's either way is correct. I think it's .io, .io, all correct. Mobile. Deep.io and Mobile. That makes a lot of sense. Bumper.io. That makes a whole lot of sense. Whole.io. Yes. A bunch of .io games. Fortnite.io. .io. Yeah, that's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's not wrong. Right. It's not right. Okay, so our oven's done preheating. Okay. But we're just gonna do that for now. Okay, so
你这个不用拍，还没有好。
Thank you, mommy. Okay, guys, we're gonna come back with the part 2 when we finish with this stuff. So, mommy, what's the next process? Oh wait, actually, you're gonna. So if you feel like this is too dry, add some water. Okay. So what are we gonna do now? Just like keep mixing it. For how long?
不知道。
Like how long do you want?
5 minutes.
Okay, guys. So just do it for the next 5 minutes, and then we're gonna come back later. So after this video ends, wait 5 minutes for this thing to be done, and then stop it, and then watch part 2. Okay, bye.